Mr. Terrence Deyalsingh has described the refusal by returning nationals to sign quarantine forms as a dangerous precedent. The revelation was made by the Health Minister during Wednesday's Ministry of Health virtual media conference. The minister explained that while the nationals, when requesting travel exemptions, give their word they will adhere to quarantine guidelines, on their return, however, they refuse to abide by the rules.
This is a dangerous precedent. The Chief Medical Officer will explain to you the importance of that quarantine form. And they are now refusing to sign the quarantine form once they land in Trinidad and Tobago.
In light of this, returning nationals may now be asked to sign quarantine forms before they are flown home. He said refusal to be taken to quarantine sites will not be tolerated.
When we allocate them to sites, they are now refusing to go to the allocated sites, and they are demanding to go to sites of their own choice. That is not a condition on bringing you back.
Meanwhile, Chief Medical Officer Dr. Roshan Parasram said he was notified of a situation where two returning nationals refused to sign the forms. Dr. Parasram explained in instances like these, as Chief Medical Officer, he can sign an order stating that the individuals are to be quarantined based on the risk that they pose.
The Defense Force is on site and had asked for the forms to be signed. Everyone else complied. In instances like that, we can write a quarantine order directly to the CMH office, naming the individuals and stating that they are under quarantine, which can be signed under my hand to ensure that there's compliance.
Meanwhile, the Ministry of National Security said several Trinidad and Tobago nationals have been granted exemptions to return home within the coming days and will be quarantined. Khrystal Wilson, TTT News.